Let me tell you something most people in finance will never admit. Your $1,000 is not the problem. Your thinking is. Right now, two people are holding the exact same $1,000 bill. Same year, same economy. 5 years from now, one is financially free, the other is still broke. Same money, completely different outcome. And here's the part that surprises people. It has nothing to do with luck, the stock market, or timing. It has everything to do with what happens inside your head before you spend a single dollar. Most people treat wealth like a math problem. Earn more, spend less, invest the difference. Sounds simple, right? If it were that simple, why are 78% of Americans living paycheck to paycheck? Why do lottery winners go broke in 5 years? Why do six-figure earners have nothing in the bank? Because wealth is not a math problem. Wealth is a behavior problem. I didn't build what I built because of a secret formula, Wall Street connections, or an early head start. I had a mental model almost nobody else was using. While kids spent allowance on candy, I bought packs of gum and sold them stick by stick at a profit. Here's the truth. Money is not a destination. It's a river. Most people stand on the bank wondering why they're always thirsty. You don't need more water. You need to redirect the river. Your $1,000 isn't money at work. It's money sleeping. Sleeping money builds the bank's wealth, not yours. The wrong question is, what can I do with $1,000? The right question is, what is this $1,000 the beginning of? A $1,000 feels small. A $1,000 seed feels powerful. A farmer doesn't look at a seed and say, too small. A farmer sees potential energy ready to grow. Most people plant seeds in concrete. Impulse buys, liabilities disguised as assets, status symbols. Then they wonder why nothing grows. The best investment? Yourself. Not the stock market, not real estate, you. Rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Before you invest, build a financial fortress, a buffer that protects you from life's chaos. Imagine this. Someone invests $900 of $1,000, then a car repair bill hits. They end up borrowing at 24% interest while their investment loses value. That's not wealth building. That's financial fragility. Your first move with $1,000, separate $300 to $500 into a high-yield savings account. Untouchable, not a vacation fund, your king, your fortress. With this buffer, you make decisions from strength, not fear. You stop reacting, you start directing. Ever notice money disappears between payday and Tuesday? That's the phantom leak. Subscriptions, daily coffee, small habits. Individually trivial, collectively catastrophic. $6 coffee 5 days a week, $1,560 per year. Forgotten subscriptions, $180 per year. Quick lunches, $1,872 per year. That's over $3,600 gone, and a missed opportunity to turn $300 a month into $680,000 over 30 years. Step 1, Awareness. Pull your last 30 days of statements. Track every transaction. Awareness is power. Humans evaluate themselves relatively, not absolutely. Your neighbor's BMW doesn't improve your car, but it changes how you feel. The comparison trap drives lifestyle inflation. Raises? Instead of investing, people upgrade apartments, cars, clothes. Income grows, but not wealth. Break it by defining wealth on your terms, not anyone else's. Ask before every purchase, would I buy this if nobody could ever see it? If the answer is no, you're buying approval, not the item. Your highest return investment is in your skills, knowledge, and identity. $500 in an index fund at 10% gives $50 in the year. $500 in a skill that increases your earning capacity by $10,000 annually, that's a 2,000% return. Your identity, how you see yourself, sets your financial ceiling. Change your story. I am someone who builds wealth, not I should probably learn investing. Surround yourself with people, books, and communities that reinforce growth. Compounding doesn't just apply to money. It applies to skills, habits, and knowledge. Compound interest isn't just about money. It's a universal force. Skills, relationships, habits, knowledge. Delay compounds. Debt compounds. Ignorance compounds. I bought my first stock at 11, filed my first tax return at 13, not because I was rich, but because I understood the power of compounding consistently over time. With $1,000, $300 to $500 in your fortress, $100 to $200 in skill investment, $300 to $500 in your first real investment, 3 compounding engines start: security, knowledge, growth. 4 steps to turn $1,000 into a financial foundation. Awareness. Track ever. 4 steps to turn $1,000 into a financial foundation. 1. Awareness. Track every dollar. See leaks. Understand behavior. 2. Control. Give every dollar a job. Automate transfers. Build systems. 3. Growth. Focus skill development. Learn investing basics. Increase earning capacity. 4. Freedom. Options matter more than luxury. Investments and systems run without you. Starting matters infinitely more than starting perfectly. The perfect moment is a myth. You have $1,000. You have a framework. The river is running. $1,000 can build the fortress, seal phantom leaks, break the comparison trap, compound your identity, start real growth. Most won't act. The minority who do, even imperfectly, will look back in 5 years at a life almost unrecognizable from today. The decision $1,000 represents isn't the money. It's deciding to take control of your financial life. Start now, not tomorrow, today. 4 steps to turn $1,000 into a financial foundation. 1. Awareness. Track every dollar. See leaks. Understand behavior. 2. Control. Give every dollar a job. Automate transfers. Build systems. 3. Growth. Focus skill development. Learn investing basics. Increase earning capacity. 4. Freedom. Options matter more than luxury. Investments and systems run without you. Starting matters infinitely more than starting perfectly. The perfect moment is a myth. You have $1,000. You have a framework. The river is running. $1,000 can build the fortress, Seal phantom leaks. Break the comparison trap. Compound your identity. Start real growth. Most won't act. The minority who do, even imperfectly, will look back in 5 years at a life almost unrecognizable from today. The decision $1,000 represents isn't the money. It's deciding to take control of your financial life. Start now, not tomorrow, today.